Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. I hope you are doing absolutely well. In today's video, I will show you exactly how to create watch list on Tradingview in 2026. So first of all, you need to come here on tradingview.com, then log in into your account if you haven't already. Now guys, if you are interested in purchasing the Tradingview subscription, you can just check out the link of this Black Friday deal in the description. Over here, you will get up to 80% off plus 1 month absolutely free. So only 2 days left in this deal. So make sure that you explore the offers if interested and hurry up. Here on this page of tradingview.com, simply click on the option of products. You can also click on the search icon here on the top. Then you can launch the chart of that particular symbol, the chart of which you want to access. Now, once you have the chart here, simply click on this watch list icon on the top right hand corner of the screen. Now, if you have created your account just now, you will see the folders here. Automatically, it will show you some of the cryptocurrencies in the crypto folder, some of the stocks in the stocks folder. Similarly, the forex pairs as well. So here, as you can see, I have this crypto folder available. So if I just double click on it and if I just want to change it to something else, let's say forex, so it will come over here just like so. After that, in this particular folder, I can add all of my forex related pairs. So in order to add the pairs, simply click on this plus icon on the top right hand corner of the screen. Now go to the forex, then click on the pair which you want to add here in the forex tab. So once you see these pairs here in the forex tab, you just have to drag and drop them something like this. So it will come here in your forex watch list or in your forex folder. Now here, when you hover over to the watch list section, you will also see this type of ribbon icon. So when you click on any of these ribbons, you can basically apply the ribbons to your pairs. So this way you will know that this particular pair is important in your watch list, and it will be very easy for you to access it quickly. Now here you will see some of the crypto related pairs as well. So you can click on the plus icon here on the top right hand corner. Then you can add some of the other symbols from different stocks and the cryptocurrencies here. Then you can just align them in a way you want them to be. If you see the folders option here, you can just right click on it and you can click on the option of add, and it will come here just like so. Now guys, for the free plan, basically you will get up to 30 pairs in the watch list, but if you want to add more, you will have to apply for their premium subscription, and currently they are giving you 80% discount. So again, if you are interested, make sure you check out the link in the description. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.